How to remove or delete third-party app access on any device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or uninstall third-party app access on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Google. And once you are inside there, simply tap on the All Service tab. And in this tab, you can see the option labeled Connected Apps on the first menu. Simply tap on that. And now a list of apps with access to your Google account will appear. Simply select the app that you want to remove. Now scroll down and tap on Delete All Connections. Once you tap on that, confirm your action by clicking on Confirm again. And after doing that, the third party app will no longer have access to your data. And that's it. That's how you can successfully remove third party app access from your device. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.